So, I've been studying a lot lately about cancer because of the high death rates of cancer around the world. Hey, friend, I found something shocking and I'm talking wake up call kind of shocking. Did you know almost every human being on this planet has tiny cancer cells inside their body right now? Yep, even you, even me, even that person you think is super healthy. Now, listen, before you panic, stay with me till the very end because I'm going to tell you exactly what habits help make those cells weak and make your body strong. This is just stuff doctors don't shout about enough. And trust me, you'll want to hear all of it. So sit tight, grab a drink, and let's break this down together. Okay, friends, let me be clear from the start. I'm not a doctor. I'm just someone like you, trying to figure out how to keep healthy. But I saw the numbers and they shook me. Right now, about 1 in every 5 people around the world will get cancer at some point in their life. And more than 10 million people die from cancer every year. That's like filling up a huge stadium, gone every single year. Those numbers made me dig deep, really deep, into biology, science, research papers, journals, all of it. Just so I can explain it in a simple way that helps feel less scared and more in control. So let's talk about what cancer actually is. Your body is made up of tiny building blocks called cells. Think of them like little pieces that make up everything in you. Now, these cells are busy dividing, growing, replacing old ones with new ones like a little factory. Every time they split into new cells, sometimes a mistake happens. Imagine a piece that doesn't fit perfectly. That mistake can make a cell do weird things, like growing too fast or acting strange. Most of the time, your body's cleanup team, which is your immune system, sees those strange cells and says, nah, you don't belong here, and removes them. But sometimes, if the mistake happens again and again, and the environment around the cells is messy, those cells can keep growing instead of stopping. And that's what we call cancer. So, yes, tiny cancer cells can be inside almost everyone at times, but they don't always become dangerous. Here's the real deal: cancer cells don't grow into full blown cancer unless the environment in your body helps them. Think of it like a garden. If you plant a weed in fertile soil with water and sunshine, it grows fast, right? But if the soil is strong and plants around it are healthy, the weed struggles. Your body is the soil. Your habits, food, your stress levels, your sleep, your movements, they change the environment. So the big question is, what makes the soil good and what makes it weak? Let's talk about that. First, chronic inflammation. Inflammation is like your body's fire alarm. When something bad happens, it goes boom and brings help. But if the alarm stays on all the time, that's bad. Foods like sugary drinks, fried snacks, processed junk, and even constant stress keep that fire alarm buzzing all day. That buzzing makes your cells more likely to make mistakes and helps cancer cells grow. So, friends, reducing things that cause inflammation is a big deal. Next is sugar. Cancer cells love sugar. Not like love like happy love, but love like this makes us grow faster. When you eat sugar, your blood sugar goes up and your body releases a hormone called insulin to bring it down. Too much sugar means too much insulin, and that tells cells to grow more. Frequent snacking, sweet drinks, they keep insulin high. So letting sugar relax helps make the environment less friendly to cancer cells. Now, let's talk about being inactive. Sitting all day, no movement, that changes your body chemistry. Movement helps burn extra sugar, reduce inflammation, keep hormones balanced, and boost your immune cells. So even a simple walk every day makes your body harder for cells to live in. Let's talk about sleep. Your body repairs itself when you sleep deeply. There's a hormone called melatonin. I hope I'm pronouncing this right. That's released when it's dark. It helps calm your cells and protects them from damage. If you don't sleep well, or you stay up late with bright screens like your phones, your laptop screens, your iPads, your melatonin drops and your repair systems slow down. That gives cancer cells a better chance to survive. Mind you, I'm not the one saying this. This is what science says. And stress. Now let's talk about stress. Long-term stress keeps your body in fight or flight, and that weakens your immune system. So sleep and stress matter big time. Now, let's talk about another habit, which is alcohol. Alcohol breaks down into a chemical called acetaldehyde. You're going to see the name on the screen because I'm not sure I'm pronouncing this right. Because I do know I have an accent, so please bear with me. That chemical can damage DNA, the instruction code inside your cells. So frequent drinking, even social drinking, adds stress to your cells. Also, things like pollution, heavy chemicals in the home, cigarette smoke, they all add toxin stress on your body. That stress makes your cells more likely to make mistakes and helps cancer cells stick around. Now, let's talk about excess body fats. I know a lot of people don't like to be fat, so we see daily people making efforts to lose weight, but I know how difficult it can be to lose weight. But this is what the role excess body fat plays in helping cancer cells thrive and grow bigger. Fat isn't just extra padding. It makes chemicals that can cause inflammation and raise hormones like estrogen and insulin. I already mentioned the role insulin play in helping cancer cells thrive in the body. Carrying extra body fat long term changes your body chemistry, and that helps cancer cells more than healthy cells. This isn't about beauty, it's about cellular balance. Now, friends, here is the good news. There's a whole set of habits that make cancer cells weak and healthy cells strong. Now, let's talk about habit number one. Eat whole foods. Eat foods like vegetables, fruits, beans, nuts, lean proteins, things your body recognizes. These foods keep inflammation low, insulin stable, and your immune system very, very happy. Now, habit number two. Move every day. Move. Even if it's just for 20 minutes, it does a lot to your body. Walking, dancing, climbing stairs, movement tells your body to burn sugar and be strong. Habit number three. Sleep well. Sleep well. I'm going to drop a video on the importance of sleeping at night because a lot of us, even I am guilty of it. We tend to work all night and then we make statements like, "Oh, I pay back my sleep when you all are working," which is daytime. Daytime sleep doesn't always replace night sleep. There's this difference in your body. I'm going to talk about that later in my videos. Sleep well. Let's talk about dark rooms. Dark rooms, which is night. That's sleeping at night. Everywhere outside is dark. It helps you a lot as against sleeping or paying back your sleep in the daytime. Consistent schedule, no screens an hour before bed is the big deal. Sleep is repair time, and you want that repair working for you. Now, habit number four. Manage stress. Take deep breaths, quiet time, laughter, community, and connections. Relaxation strengthens your immune system. It's not just about you socializing, but it helps relax your body. Habit number 5, reduce toxins. Clear air, clean water, less processed chemicals. Your natural detox systems, your liver, your gut, your kidneys, they are your friends. They are not your enemies. They are only there if you treat them nicely. Just like the physical friends we keep. Friends, listen. Some people think cancer is just bad luck. But science says luck isn't the whole story. Your daily habits shape your internal environment more than you realize. Cancer cells are tiny and weak when your body is healthy, but it gets stronger in bodies that are inflamed, stressed, sugary, and tired. So your habits are like fertilizer for healthy cells and weed killer for cancer cells. Get that? I'll say that again. Your habits are like fertilizer for healthy cells and weed killer for cancer cells. You can't control everything in life, but the things you do every day matter a lot. If this video gave you hope, clarity, or remotivation, do these few things for me, okay? Share this video with someone you care about. Comment below what habit you're going to start today. And if you want more deep yet simple health talks like this, do well to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss a single one. I've got your back and I'm rooting for you. We're on this journey together, stronger, healthier, and smarter than yesterday. Stay healthy, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video.